Stainless steel tumblers are a great way to keep your drinks cold or hot for hours. Whether you're a fan of a hot cup of coffee or ice-cold water, a stainless steel tumbler can keep it at the temperature you like. Not only are these tumblers great for maintaining the temperature of your favorite beverage, but they're also durable enough for taking on the go. In this video, we'll review our top stainless steel tumblers of 2023 picks and discuss the features and benefits of each one. We also show you our handy buyer's guide to help you know what to look out for as you shop. Number 1. Green Steel 20 ounces Stainless Steel Tumbler. The Green Steel stainless steel tumbler is an exceptional product for those looking for superior insulation and temperature retention for their drinks. With its premium food-grade steel and electro-polished interior, this tumbler ensures a pure taste with no unwanted flavors. The long-lasting powder coating creates a stylish colorful finish on the exterior, while the sweat-free design keeps it feeling smooth. This tumbler also features an exclusive bonus bundle offering unparalleled value for money, including 2 unbreakable straws, 1 curved and 1 straight, ideal for water and shakes respectively, a straw brush, and a splash-proof closable lid. These features come presented in a beautiful gift box, making this best overall tumbler a great choice as a gift. Number 2. Iron Degrees Flask Stainless Steel Tumbler. The next stainless steel tumbler is an ideal choice for anyone looking to keep their drinks cold or hot while on the move. The Iron Degrees Flask Nomad Tumbler has double-walled insulation that can keep drinks cold for up to 20 hours or hot for up to 5 hours, depending on the size. It can fit into most standard cup holders and its powder coat exterior finish provides a durable touch. This tumbler comes with 2 insulated lids, a splash-proof straw lid with 2 straws, and a 100% leak-proof flip lid. It's made from 18/8 premium stainless steel and is BPA-free and non-toxic. This strong material won't leave a metallic taste or rust, but you should be aware that it should be hand-washed with soapy hot water only. Plus, if you aren't completely satisfied with your tumbler purchase, Iron Degrees Flask will issue a full refund or exchange. With several size options and colors to choose from, this stainless steel tumbler offers you a great variety. Number 3. Simple Modern Stainless Steel Tumbler. Our next pick is the Simple Modern Insulated Tumbler. This stylish tumbler is made of premium 18/8 stainless steel and features double-wall insulation to keep hot and cold beverages at their optimal temperature for hours. This stainless steel tumbler even comes with both a straw lid and a flip lid to prevent accidental leaks from happening. It's also perfectly designed to fit in a car's cup holder so you can take it with you wherever you go. This tumbler is designed with convenience and style in mind. Its sleek design comes in plenty of cool colors and patterns to match your style. With plenty of colors and fun design options to choose from, you're sure to find one to match your personality. The modern, minimalistic look is also perfect for on-the-go lifestyles, or to use as part of a day-to-day routine. This makes it an ideal option for students, commuters, athletes, outdoor adventurers and business professionals alike. Number 4. Sunwell Stainless Steel Tumbler. The Sunwell tumbler with lid is the perfect combination of style and substance. Featuring high-quality 304-grade stainless steel construction, this affordable insulated tumbler is made to provide superior insulation properties, keeping your beverages hot for up to 6 hours, and cold for up to 24 hours. The durable, double-wall vacuum technology ensures that no heat transfers to the outer wall, and is condensation-free. Another great feature of this tumbler is its design. The electro-polished interior provides an elegant look, while the insulated lid features a drinking hole for easy sipping. This BPA-free tumbler's lid is also splash-proof, so you can take your drink anywhere without worrying about messes or spills. Plus, this tumbler is designed to fit in most car cup holders with ease, making it perfect for road trips or commuting to work. Number 5. Green Steel 30 ounces Stainless Steel Tumbler. This product is the perfect choice for anyone looking for an insulated cup that offers superior performance and temperature retention. Offered as an exclusive bonus bundle, the Green Steel stainless steel tumbler comes with 2 unbreakable straws. 1 straw is curved for cold beverages, and 1 is wider and straight for shakes and smoothies. It also comes with a straw brush and a new pop-up lid designed for easy cleaning. Plus, all this comes packaged in a beautiful gift box. Boasting superior insulation, it keeps beverages insulated and protected for long periods of time. Crafted with care from the highest quality premium food-grade stainless steel, this tumbler also features a superior finish inside and out that feels smooth to the touch while resisting rust and scratches. Its electro-polished interior also ensures that no unwanted flavors enter your drink.